Have you ever wondered how you grow from a tiny seed into a giant oak tree, or from a single cell into a complex human being? The answer lies in the fascinating world of cells and a process called mitosis. Mitosis is like a perfectly choreographed dance where one cell divides into two identical copies. It's happening right now in your body, billions of times a day. Each new cell gets a complete set of blueprints or chromosomes to function properly. Without mitosis, we wouldn't heal from injuries, grow taller, or even exist. Before our cellular dance begins, the cell needs to prepare. This preparation stage is called interphase. Imagine a cell as a busy kitchen. During interphase, the chefs or enzymes are busy copying the recipe book, which is the DNA, and gathering ingredients. The cell grows larger, creating more cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance that fills the cell. The nucleus, the cell's control center, also gets ready to divide. Inside the nucleus, the DNA, which carries all the genetic information, replicates itself, ensuring each new cell receives a full set of instructions. By the end of interphase, the cell is twice its original size, stocked with 2 copies of DNA, and ready for the main event, mitosis. The curtain rises on the first stage of mitosis prophase. The previously scattered chromosomes condense into thick X-shaped structures, becoming visible under a microscope. Imagine these chromosomes as neatly organized pairs of shoes. Each pair represents the duplicated DNA strands, ensuring each new cell receives 1 shoe from each pair. Meanwhile, the nuclear membrane, the curtain surrounding the nucleus, begins to break down. Outside the nucleus, a remarkable structure called the mitotic spindle starts to form. The spindle, made of thin fibers called microtubules, acts as a set of ropes that will eventually pull the chromosomes apart, finding their places, Metaphase and Anaphase. Next up is Metaphase, where the chromosomes perform a remarkable act of organization. Like actors taking their positions on stage, the chromosomes line up neatly along the equator of the cell. The spindle fibers attach themselves to each chromosome, ready for action. With a dramatic cue, Anaphase begins. The spindle fibers retract, pulling the chromosomes apart like a perfectly synchronized tug-of-war. Each X-shaped chromosome splits, and the 2 halves, called sister chromatids, are pulled towards opposite poles of the cell. By the end of Anaphase, the cell has 2 complete sets of chromosomes, 1 at each end. The finale, Telophase and Cytokinesis. As the curtain falls on our cellular performance, we enter Telophase. The separated chromosomes arrive at the poles of the cell and begin to uncoil, becoming thinner and less visible. The nuclear membrane reforms around each set of chromosomes, creating 2 new nuclei. The cell now has 2 nuclei, each containing a complete set of DNA. Finally, the cytoplasm divides in a process called cytokinesis. The cell pinches in the middle, like a balloon being tied off, eventually splitting into 2 identical daughter cells. Each daughter cell is now an independent entity, ready to carry out its own life functions and even undergo mitosis itself. And so, the miracle of life continues, thanks to the intricate dance of mitosis, ensuring that life goes on, 1 cell division at a time.